here we are about to organize the linen closet. If y'all like me, you have an abundance of linens, blankets, toddler stuff. Why do I even have this? This is for a pack and play that I don't have. Why? My girl's extra sheets, extra blankets and things that we use for our air mattresses that I keep up here too. I have got all my new product ready to go. My labels and pen and marker. I've got a crate here. I've had this thing for years. I'm pretty sure I either got it at Target or Walmart. Pretty sure it was only like $5. Pretty sure both of those places still have crates. The awesome Dollar Tree bins and Dollar Tree baskets. And we're about to tackle this. I'm so excited about getting this in order. I was so excited about it that this is how I look today. But that's fine. When you have your day off, this might be how you look too. Well, let's get this going.
Getting everything out of it. Dump. Get rid of it. Okay, nice clean shelves to work with. Start. I'm going to start at the bottom on the floor with my air mattresses. Oh my gosh, that didn't fit good. So these are Dollar Tree storage bags, by the way. I like to keep them in there because they're labeled with what size air mattress is in there, because y'all know when that stuff is tucked down small, you can't tell, and I don't feel like unrolling it to figure it out when I'm having people over to my house. So super cute, super easy, slide it all in there in the crate. Now I'm moving on to my air mattress sheets. I keep twin and queen, of course, because that's the air mattresses that I have. And this, of course, is a trial and error thing. I love the roll-up look. I think it always looks really neat. So at first I tried, okay, let me see if I can put this whole bed set together. Okay, I think it looks good. Can't go on the top shelf. The comforters are a little bit taller, but having them in these bins are so much easier to get to without things falling on my head. So then I'm putting these other sheets in the bin, but then I realized, oh my gosh, I've got a queen and a twin in a basket together. This does not work because I want everything done by size, so it's super easy for even the kids to grab something that's the same size. So I decided to keep the comforter by itself and do the sheets by size and put them on the top shelf because they're the least used. Extra comforters are used more and they're heavier and taller. So it's just easier on that top shelf. But these gray round bins were perfect for my top two shelves. Two of them fit perfectly together. And as you can see, this is a super slim linen closet. When it comes to my girl sheets, I fold everything up really small and put it in one pillowcase. So I'm just rolling up that and tucking it in their basket. And I keep the basket for their bed sheets next to their rooms. So this linen closet is actually right in the middle of my daughter's rooms. So I didn't do the roll-up method on theirs, but with my son's stuff, I'm definitely going to show y'all that I did the roll-up method on those. Because he has so many extra little blankets and things, he's only 2 years old. And so when they're stacked, it's hard to get to, it's hard to pull something out without pulling too many things out. So rolling them up and putting them in this basket was perfect because I can see exactly what it is. It's a pillowcase, it's a fitted sheet, it's an extra blankie. So being able to see it and grab it, and I'm not grabbing out like 3 other blankets falling on top of me, awesome. As you can see, it fit 2 rows of toddler sheets perfectly in there. And then there's some toddler bedding sets that I have. I'm doing the same thing, rolling them up really tight so that I can fit 2 fitted sheets, 2 regular sheets, and a comforter in here. So I was able to kind of refold this, roll it up, and tuck it on in there, and it fit perfect. These were a perfect Dollar Tree find for my kids' bedding. Now I'm going to go to my labels. I decided to do these circular tag labels just because I love the circular adhesive chalkboard labels. So I wanted everything to kind of match in the labeling department. This is not a chalk pen from the Dollar Tree. This is actually their metallic marker in white. I wanted something permanent that was actually going to stay on these tags and not something that could be wiped off. So I decided to go with it. I'm making 2 tags for my son because he has 2 baskets, 1 tag for each of my daughters, and those are going on these faux wire looking baskets, the plastic ones. So just loop those suckers through and then pull them tight if you don't want it dangling. I didn't want it dangling, so I pulled it back tight. So I did these, as you can see, 2 for my son there, and then 1 for each of the girls. And now they know which is which. And this is great because I try to keep them lower. So of course the younger one, since he's shortest, he gets that lower shelf because he does help Mama do laundry. And my girls, of course, like I said, those are next to their rooms. It's super easy for them to change out their sheets. I love these chalkboard adhesive labels that I got. They also have some in some different shapes. Some that you kind of see that are super popular on jars and little tins and things. I just myself like the circles because I wanted everything to be super cohesive. That's why I did all the gray and the white. I do a lot of my bins like that so I can mix and match them. So I'm labeling the queen comforter here and then the twin comforter. And then above them are their matching sheets. So the queen sheets and then the twin sheets.
With all the rolling and the labeling, getting everything folded and fitted, this was under 20 minutes, y'all. Holy cow. So, it can be done. Little man just woke up for a nap, so I'm going to go attend to him. But as always, happy organizing. If you like what you saw here, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you want to follow some more awesome, quick, easy organizing tasks that you can do around your home and some ideas for some bigger projects, hit that subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing y'all back here soon.